Hi, in front of me I have LENOVO Phab 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and to do it I just tap on this icon right here and then tap on the settings icon right here. In the settings, let's tap on display and then select wallpaper. Now let's select wallpapers right here. Then we can scroll through the list of wallpapers right here by swiping left and right and tap on one to select it, for example this one. And once you select the wallpaper, you need to tap set wallpaper right here in the top right corner. Now let's go back to home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper changed. You can also change it another way, and to do it you just need to touch and hold on the middle of home screen like that. This menu will open and you can tap wallpapers right here and then do the same. Just select one and tap set wallpaper. And that's how you change the wallpaper on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.